Hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sam. This is my first project doing reinforcement learning and Q learning. Um, so I will show you first how does it look like after running the code after 50,000 trainings. So let's run the code. I'll bring it in the front. So the green box is the food, red is enemy, and the pinky is our agent, our intelligent agent. So each episode is made of 200 moves that agent can take, like 200 actions. If it find the food, the green box, and eat the green box, basically it will be uh, the agent will get 100 rewards, and each move is -2. And what else can I tell you? If uh, the red box or enemy get the agent, it will be additional -300. As you can see here, this is in this plot. This shows how well or not well as our agent done. Let me go back to the code and explain a little bit. So it's 5 episodes, and this is the side of our grade, which is 10 by 10. Um, and basically, what you saw is like no randomness, it's almost zero. You can change this one and see what's the best. Um, yeah, and as I explained before, so it's just made of 200, uh, yeah, 200 moves. Now, so what I want to show you is how does it look like if at the very beginning when the agent doesn't know anything about the when you run the code for the very first time with no knowledge. I mean, the agent doesn't have a knowledge. So you see that it's just going around randomly, doesn't know anything about uh, what is right, what is wrong to do. It's just trying to explore the environment. And you can see the scores in right here. It's getting even sometimes worse. Sometimes maybe the agent is lucky enough to get the food. Ah, no. Yeah, let's see. It's getting quite close to the food. By the way, um, the agent can't move directly to right or directly to the left or directly to up or down. It's more or less just going kind of, I don't know, uh, not a straight up or down or right or left. So here, as you see, um, it's getting better. Um, it's getting better. It's learning, but definitely this is random. So it could get really down, like go really down as you see here. So um, this for this 10 by 10, I guess something around somewhere around 100,000 would be really good. You will get quite a nice result. And as the grid become bigger, or if we have, for example, 15, 20, or 30 pixels, if you want to make it more smaller grids, which basically will show a more softer animation, sorry, movement. So you definitely would need to train the agent way more. Like sometimes maybe for something like 20 by 20, I guess something around a million. So yeah. Uh, but anyway, thanks for watching. This is, as I said, my first time I'm making any video, and this is my absolutely first project in QL or Q learning. And yeah, thanks again.